Everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make a pin cushion. I have the CD here that I place it on the fabric. I trace this and then I cut an inch and a half bigger and I cut two. I cut it in here 2 1/4 by 10 inches, the solid fabric. And what else I have? I bought a pillow from Walmart. Every time I do something like this, I use it because it's cheaper that way. So let's just put the material there, and then an old sock, old baby sock, and the fruit cup. When you buy fruit, yeah, this is the cup that my kid eat in the fruit cup still. Is 2 3/4 of an inch. I'm gonna place the CD in here and then I'm going to pull. So go where I have the line that I traced earlier. So there I'm going to pull this. So you double thread, because if this thread break, it's not gonna be funny. Okay, so keep pulling. I hold the other end of the thread there and then I pull this all the way until to here. That's it. And then I'm going to see how even that is with the ruffle all around. That is so beautiful. I plan to make this with the Christmas color, but I see this fabric been laying around and it's perfect size, so I want to get rid of this fabric too. So isn't that so adorable? Beautiful fabric. With this one, you're gonna sew 1/4 of an inch, one end to the other, inside out this. Here I cut it in 3 1/2 by 10, and then at the end right here I'm gonna fold this way, and then you're going to put the double side tape here to hold this in place. If you don't have a double side tape, you feel free to use glue. and now just leave it on the side. And with the cup here, I'm going to cut around here. I'm going to mark so I can cut about 1.25 inches. And then from the bottom, I'm going to hot glue this one in here and wrap it around, and then I'm gonna cut the extra. So you can use hot glue, or you can use fabric glue. I'm gonna go around here. And wrap this around. And you're gonna stuck this inside, this extra. I always have more than I need. Okay, that look good. So I'm gonna go and add a little glue on the bottom here, and then I'm going to have that go inside when I know that it go in nicely. Add a little bit glue here. All right, now I'm gonna bring this back, and I'm gonna stuff this inside of this. I'm gonna make sure I have the glue on the bottom here. Okay, I'm gonna go right inside of this and make sure I push everything down. Push it in, don't be shy. Is it in here? It's optional. You don't have to do it. You don't want to. Put glue around here. Okay, now you're gonna look very carefully, and you see it right in the middle like that. Everything look good. And then you push it down. Hold on to it. And that's so cute. It's the hat. Here, 20 inches ribbon. You can go between 1/4 of an inch ribbon to 1/2 inch. but cut the long side at 20 inches, and then I go from one side to the other and go right in the center. I'm making the flower. I ran out of the yellow ribbon, so I'm gonna do this for now, and when I have more ribbon, I'm gonna go and add more flower around it. So anyway, do running stitch all the way from one side, one end to the other end until you have no ribbon to sew, like this, okay? When I get into the end here, I'm gonna pull this over, and then I'm going to find the first one when I started, and I'm going to join that, pull this and work around it so you can have the flower. It look like a carnation. And here I have the pearl. I'm going to use that for the center. The flower until you see it's nice and round. I also make the pink one here too. So if I have the yellow, I will make a yellow and put it right next to it, but I don't. I ran out of yellow ribbon. So everyone, now I finished making the flower. I decided to use this silver for this. I ran out of yellow. Oh well, what can you do? So I'm gonna go and put one on the top here. The first one is right there, so I can hide that with this color. Go right there, push it in, hold on to it just a bit, and then the other color with the silver can go right down this way, and then this other can go to here, just like so. Go right in the center, just like that. How cute that is. It's so adorable. Okay, so I just put this one right here, and then add this right on that, and then this one here can go right in here together, and that basically it. So cute. And that's the pin cushion. Everyone watching this video be able to make 1, 2, or 3, or 4. So now you're gonna put the pin there, give it to someone as a gift, or you can make it for yourself. I'm all about beauty, so everything is pretty. I'm using it. So like that. Super easy. Just like that. How simple that is, everyone. That is so cute hat. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that comment on the video, share the video with others, and like the video. I do read the comment all the time, so make sure you write me a comment, tell me what you think.